This is Miss Marta from the Fountaindale Public Library, and today I wanted to share with you another wonderful database that we have on the library's website. It is TrueFlix. TrueFlix is a database for elementary school kids, preferably 5th grade and up. It provides excellent social studies and science resources. It provides games, eBooks, quizzes, projects, and so much more. It is really a very fun website for kids to explore. So in order to access this website or this database, you will go to fountaindale.org. Once you are on the library's website, you're going to go to Learning and Tech, and then scroll down to eResources. Once you are on this page, then we're going to scroll down to Education and Homework Help. And then we're going to click on TrueFlix, which will take us to this wonderful page. And as you can see, on the left side, it focuses on people, places, and history, which focuses kind of on, it has different topics about social studies. And on your right, it has topics of science and nature. So if your child loves science and social studies and they love to do research and kind of learn about different things, this is a perfect website for them. So I wanted to kind of show you the different options that this website provides. For example, let's pick a topic. Let's pick something from science and nature. How about health? So I'm going to click on health. And as you can see, these are the different topics that are provided for the topic, like the topic of health. So let's pick healthy eating. We're going to click on that. And here, as you can see, this is a little mini lesson of its own. It provides your child with a short little video that they can watch to learn about healthy eating. And then it also provides them a book that they can read, which has wonderful, information for them that they will teach them about healthy eating. And as you can see, it has a lot of, has recipes in there, why they should eat healthy, what kind of foods are healthy. There's also an option for read to me. So if your child is not a really good reader, they can always listen to the book. And then kind of going back, I went a little bit too far, going back. So they can, as I said before, they can watch the video, or they can listen to watch the video or read the book. And then there's different activities that they can kind of do after reading the book and watching the video. For example, there's the link where they can explore more. If they click on this link, there's this will give them more links and ideas where they can research different things that are related to healthy eating, like why it's important to drink water, nutrition guides, vegetables, vitamins, and minerals. If they kind of want to do a little bit more research that goes with healthy eating. There's also on the tab on your left under Explore More, project ideas, where it gives your child a question. For example, create a Jeopardy type game about 5 food groups. So this is a fun activity that your child can do after doing a little bit of research, and then maybe you can play it together as a family. There is also an activity center, and this is kind of my favorite part because these are really great comprehension activities. So under activity center, there's 2 options, show what you know and word map. So we're going to go to show what you know. And this is like a little quiz. So after your child reads the book, there's going to be questions that kind of go with the book. For example, this one, which conclusion is researched in the video? So after watching the video and reading the book, they can answer some questions, which are really good for reading comprehension because it's important for kids to understand what they read. Sometimes kids read really, really quickly just to be done, but this is a great way for them to think about it. Like, hey, I read, I watched the video or I read the book. What was it really about? What are the key facts? What was really important that I read? So they can kind of take the little quiz and see the answers. If they were right, if they were wrong, they can kind of take it multiple times. It's just like a little fun quiz. There's also the word match. And I think this is my favorite. This is my favorite part because they are provided with a clue. And then they have to figure out which word goes with the clue. And once they get the answer right, it will reveal a little picture. So it's kind of fun. And an exciting activity. There's also Explore More under the Activity Center. And here, again, there's more child-friendly websites that they can go to learn more about health and nutrition. And then more health, which will kind of take you back to this area where it provides more resources on different health topics. So let's go back and let's see what else I can show you. Let's go back here. So now let's check something out from the social studies side. For example, like biographies. I think this is great too, because your child can learn in a fun way a biography about certain people. For example, who was Steve Jobs? And how he invented the Apple computer, the iPad, the iPhone, which is kind of fun and exciting. I actually had a chance to watch the movie and read this book, and it was very interesting. And I know this is something that kids are interested in. About the computers, phones, iPads. It's a very big part of our life now. So it's exciting to kind of read these things and watch a little video and kind of learn a little bit more for it. So this is a wonderful resource for kids to kind of play around with, because they can actually learn a lot of great stuff. And then you as a parent, you feel comfortable because you know it is a safe website for them to go on. And then also, if you are a teacher, this is also a great website that you can use for your students in the classroom to do research, to learn about biographies, different things in science, continents, and just kind of different things. So I definitely recommend this database to kids. And thank you for watching.